Hey guys, it's Lisa and Lupita. Today, Lupita's gonna be testing my slimes.
My slimes are good, and her slimes are sticky, and some are hard.
Yeah. So if they're sticky,
we have some borax.
Activator. Yeah, aka borax. Okay, the first slime is fine.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this one is also part of
This
it.
one's not that bad.
I can't believe this one didn't melt, but that one did.
Okay, this one's pretty nice. I like this one. I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10 because it's good, it's stretchy, it's pokey, it has some glitter and some bloom. It's blue. And Lisa got the other little tiny piece. Wait, did you put it in here?
Yeah.
It's nice. I like this one. It's stretchy. I give this one a 10 out of 10. What would you rate it if you were rating my slime? I give that one a 10 out of 10. And actually put it half and half this time so it's deep.
No, Lupita. Next one.
Okay, this. Oh, okay. Is this a chalk paint?
Yep.
Okay. I really like this one.
That's weird. It has a weird texture to it.
It does. It's like matte or something. There's a marble in here. She said it's for good luck. It's a good luck slime if there's a marble in it.
These are.
Oh gosh, the marble just fell out.
The marble come back.
Okay, I give this one a 5 out of 10 because it's not that stretchy. It's not that stretchy. It's pokey. I give this one a 5 out of 10. So I'm sorry.
I don't care.
She says her slimes are bad either.
Right.
Do you even pay attention of how much activator you put in the slimes? No. You just like put it in there randomly?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was a 5 out of 10. This one, I like the color of this one.
It's a neon pink.
Purple in it, Lisa.
These.
Those melted because of somebody.
Hey, that's because of an activator.
No, that's not my activator.
I used your activator.
Yeah, yes, that was
Okay,
yesterday. Oh gosh, I give this one a 9 out of 10 because it's not that stretchy. Besides that, it's pretty nice.
This one you gave me.
I gave you? Oh, yeah, that one. I forgot about that. Okay.
She gave me that one. And I haven't played with it in
a long time. I can tell because it's ripping apart easily.
Oh, this one is a good slime. Just can't see it.
Why? They can see it anyway.
But still, it's a...
I give this one... Okay. It's pokey. It's stretchy. It makes a little bit of crackle sound. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 because it doesn't crackle that much. Let's see the slime swirl. She's just getting the slimes out. Why is this one so? What the heck? It still feels like watery, but it's still slime. Gosh, Lisa.
You said this one was a good slime.
Yeah, that one was a very good slime. It's not that clicky. It's really stretchy because it's like water, Lisa. And I give this one a 8 out of 10 just because it's a little watery. Feels weird.
You put it in here.
It's not thick either. Why do you put it in this one?
That one has a little bit of slime.
This one has a little bit of slime.
This one.
Okay.
Oh, and it matches the color too.
Oh, it does. Oh, Lisa, just a little bit. It's a little more like. I like this one.
Oh, this one.
This is my favorite so far. It's purple. I like that. Pokes a lot. It's very stretchy. I have some 10 out of 10. Your first 10 out of 10. Actually, no, that one was a 10 out of 10 too. So your second 10 out of 10.
This one. Do you want to
This
save
one's
the big
kinda-
slime for last?
Oh yeah.
Do you want to do the macaroon slime?
That's not even slime. That's the clay I gave you.
Yep.
And you added water to it. It's not slime. It smells nasty. Good.
It's a
The
butter.
clickiness is pretty good. The stretchiness, not so good. So I give this one a crackle sound. It's pretty good. I give this one a 9 out of 10. Lose 1 point because the reason it's not 10 because it rips easily. No, it's not
These are the
shipping.
same slimes.
Oh gosh. If it's the same thing as this.
No, these two.
Oh, this is hot cocoa. She named it. Yeah, it's kind of like a butter slime, but it's kind of not at the same time.
It's not a butter slime at all. I didn't add any cheese.
I know, but like it stretches out. But look at it, like it stays. Let's add to this, bro. That's stretchy. -1, so it's 9. Clickiness. That's a 9. It's still 9. And then the stretchiness.
You said to take off a point for that already.
Oh yeah. And then the crackle sounds. I don't think we're gonna get any crackle sounds, but we can try. This is small slime. Oh, there are a couple.
This is not a good slime.
Okay, so I give this one a 9 out of 10. And it's the same thing as that one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The big boy.
Why is it like rubbery?
I don't know, but here's the big boy. And
Okay,
I think it's
so-
melted.
Clicky. Okay. Okay, so the clickiness, it's a 10. Stretchiness, lose 2 points. So that's an 8. Let's see if the crackle sounds. Okay, there's 2. I this one 8 because it doesn't stretch, it's rubbery, and because it's also not that doesn't make crackle sound. This one? Oh, I like this one. This is my favorite.
You
Just
gotta go in the middle.
It's just a little sticky.
I'm out of the frame.
Okay, it's a oh gosh.
We added a lot of activator right there.
I know. It's gonna be less stickiness.
Oh my god. Here.
Oh gosh, it's a.
Mm.
I give this one okay.
Ow.
The pokiness, I give it a 10 out of 10. Stretchiness, 10 out of 10. And see the slime swirl. I don't think we're gonna get a slime swirl because I think it's too big. Those were too small. It's too big. Okay, we got a slime swirl. Crackle Crackle-lackles. Crackle-lackles. I give it a 10 out of 10. So overall this time is a 10 out of 10. Okay, let's see here. Now put the back. The back.
That's it, guys. Like,
Subscribe.
and comment and share. And that's the end of our video.
And we kind of forgot because we haven't made a video in a long time.
Yeah, so
Kind of forgot.
bye, guys.
Bye.